Harvey County, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until midnight tonight. This replaces the winter storm warning. Timing: snow, heavy at times, will continue into this evening. Blizzard conditions will also develop and continue this evening. Snow accumulations, 10 to 16 inches, with isolated higher amounts possible. Wind/visibility: northeast winds will increase to 20 to 30 miles per hour with occasional gusts to 45 miles per hour this afternoon. The combination of falling and blowing snow will occasionally reduce visibilities to near zero late this afternoon and evening in near whiteout conditions. Main impact: snow-covered roads will make travel difficult. By afternoon, the combination of the snow and very strong winds will make travel extraordinarily dangerous. Secondary impact: the combination of strong northeast winds and snow-covered power lines may lead to isolated power outages. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
At 10 o'clock a.m. at O'Hare Airport, heavy snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 29 degrees. The dew point was 27, and the relative humidity was 92%. The wind was northeast at 18 miles an hour. The wind chill was 16. The pressure was 29.90 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the region, snow was falling with a temperature of 32 at Joliet and 32 at Kankakee. It was 30 at Chicago's lakefront. At Springfield, it was cloudy with a temperature of 34. At Midway, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 33. At Aurora, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 31. At Waukegan,
the following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Kane, Kindle, Lake and Wool, and Lake County, Indiana. The blizzard warning replaces the winter storm warning. Timing: snow, heavy at times, will continue through this evening. Blizzard conditions will also develop, especially near the lake and in more open areas. Wind/visibility: northeast winds will increase to 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour this afternoon, with even stronger winds near the lake. The combination of falling and blowing snow will frequently reduce visibilities to near zero in whiteout conditions late this afternoon and evening. Snow accumulations: 12 to 16 inches, with isolated totals up to 18 inches possible. Main impact: snow-covered roads will make travel difficult. By afternoon, the combination of the snow and very strong winds will make travel extraordinarily dangerous. Secondary impact: the combination of strong northeast winds and snow-covered power lines may lead to isolated power outages. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
At 10 o'clock a.m. at